It's right there. It's a watch battery. I believe the number's at 2032. So if the power goes out for a few moments, it remembers all the settings and it even remembers the time up to 5 days. If the power is out more than 5 days, you will have to reset the clock. To replace the battery, it's right here and it just slides up. It's a 2032 battery and it just slides up, and if you ever had to replace it, you pull it off and drop a new one on in. The screen will also tell you if the battery is low. It'll say low battery on it.